How you doing, guys, from Poland? I hope so. You're happy as I'm back to Poland as I am. And I'm just at the front actually of the Tifi Hotel in Iława, which is 5-star resort situated next to the longest lake in Poland, which is my hometown. So whenever one day I live in Poland and I'm next to my parents perhaps, and would you like to come to Poland, see me, and maybe my parents perhaps as well, you can stay in this beautiful resort facing the lake, which is just on the other side. Maybe if you're lucky, you can get a view with the lake and stuff. It's cool. And if you know me just from Bali, don't worry, there is the spa, and they are genuine ladies from Bali and Thailand who are doing the massages in this hotel in Poland, in Iława. I just found out actually when I was flying to Canada in the plane, they had the leaflet advertisement, oh, that's the hotel in the hometown, and they advertise as they actually having a massages ladies from Bali. Just interesting fact. So let me know. Are you coming? Should I stay here longer? But just joking. That's actually interesting fact. Just wanted to let you know. So that's the 5-star resort. A lot of people actually from big cities like Warsaw or even Krakow, Polish people coming to during the summer here, because it's obviously lake. Many of those people having a boats here, the private boats, and you can cruise. The lake is like 30 kilometers long. So that's why it's the longest lake in Poland, obviously. So it's actually a beautiful place, right now it's 15 degrees, so obviously it's like out of season. It's already middle of October, so it's definitely not too busy though. But during the summer, it's totally different environment here. Yeah, some people even have a boat on the other side. And also what is very, very interesting, that's the view of the lake, but they are building brand new apartments over there. Some of the apartments actually starting exactly there, facing the lake, and they're actually facing the sunrise, and the other one facing the Iława river, which is like a river connecting the other lakes, which is cool. And this one is here. I don't know actually what is this one, what I'm stepping on. It's like a little pier. I think this is the place where you can dock your boat, but also probably during the summer some people swimming here. So it's pretty cool. I'll show you a little bit around. Actually, this is very nice hotel. It's pretty new. When I was graduating, this hotel was finishing the construction, so they opened like a year later when I was already moved out from Poland. So I never been inside, and definitely I never stayed there, but looks nice. It looks also quiet. I see they have a restaurant with these big windows facing the lake, so it's cool. And must be swimming pool inside, because in Poland mostly swimming pools are inside the hotels. Obviously there are like 4 seasons here. And actually I'm gonna get more top to this place. Oh, there is like a gym and something. I don't even remember when I was strolling here last time, to be honest, guys. Actually maybe pool is also outside. Should get inside this hotel one day, but focus on outdoors today. Actually no, there is no outdoor swimming pool, so if it's summer you go jump to the lake. During the cold weather like now, you just go and swim inside if you want. The hotel is pretty big actually, looks very decent, I'm gonna tell you, and the lake and the boats on the other side, so it's definitely cool. And what I'm gonna tell you, I still have a little bit of jet lag. That's why I'm making this video very, very easygoing. I used to travel actually quite a lot since the last week, going to Canada, going to Banff, come back from Banff. That's 8 hours time zone change, then 6 to Bali, 6 to Canada, then 8 to Canada. It was like so many flights, so much was going on actually. You see right now they have a cool playground for the kids, and I think there's gym and everything. This hotel is nice. Actually I could review this hotel. People exercising here. This is like a public gym. I don't know what is inside this building, but that must be something public here, because there is the government sign. It's like a gym, and I don't know actually what is it. Oh, this is like a boat rental. I should get there. This is boat rental. Must be closed right now because it's off season, but this is like a public beach and the boat rental. I'm gonna get closer and show you a little bit. Basically you can rent a boat, you can make a license for your boat here, and any other cruises and stuff. So cool. And there should be a cafe or something, but of course this is closed right now. It's October. Everything here will be open during the summer only. There is also jet ski rental and stuff like this, and it's cooler here. And I mean cool, as I'm excited. And I thought, I never actually been here, because when I was going to school, when I was living in Poland, this one wasn't like that. This one has changed a lot. for better. And there's like a pier where so many boats and little yachts and sailing boats like this one. And it's open to public. You can just simply walk. That's what we have a trust to our own people. Usually these places like this one, they are closed gates and only people who dock the boat here have access and people are not allowed to walk. But here in Poland, in Iława, you can walk. So cool, actually. So cool. Nice boats, people have it. My friend actually from Malaysia have one boat. I hope so you guys still watching. Or maybe, yeah, I think so you guys are watching. So I keep in mind you guys, but you cannot bring the boat from, from Malaysia to here. It will be almost not possible. However, people have a boat from Gdańsk and overall cool stuff. Cool, during the summer, I should come here during the summer and film when it's so busy and so much people going on and everything. That must be so dope. But it's still nice actually. So basically downtown of Iława is behind this apartments, what I showed you over there. And this is already like a lake, lakeside. There's also the cruise boat going there. You can hire this in the downtown, actually next to the mall. And they will show you around like a 1 or 2 hours cruise across the lake. It's pretty long, like I said, around 28 kilometers if I'm not mistaken. And I believe during the summer must be so cool here and so busy. But it's already cold in general. And there is the hotel, the Tifi hotel. So it's cool. Very cool stuff. And this is like all jet ski, everything you can rent here. They can teach you, make a course. I'm gonna go there actually. Let's see what is there as well. Just PTS is closed, but that's the European vibe. When it's winter time is coming, most of the things are closed, especially regarding the lakes and the attractions like summer attractions, what I could say. So that's the biggest difference to tropical countries, of course. So that's the public beach, actually, where the ducks. So they make it cool because that's the playground on the top, that's the football pitch or something, like benches where you can picnic here during the summer. Obviously, you can walk, you can swim. There must be lifeguard. This beach, of course, the beach is not like in Bali or summer. Obviously, it's only just the lake. But during the summer, it must be cool. And you have a ducks now. That's the duck season. Hello, little buddies. You cannot give the bread to the ducks, by the way. Yeah, and that's the situation on the lake. On the other side, people have a boat. Everywhere will be the boats. People will have a boat. So those people actually working somewhere on the boat. And you can go more that way, up to 30 kilometers. Actually, I'm gonna go one day through the forest there, show you a few lakes and the actually other side of this lake and everything. One day, maybe next week. That's the kayaks rental, another thing. Small business, and that's the playground. I think my brother with his daughter used to come to this playground summer when they visiting my parents. Actually, nobody will be here because it's cold. It's 15 degrees, so even for the Polish people, it's just too cold right now. But for me, doesn't matter. Actually, I enjoy to show you around. Here behind me, I thought it's the football pitch, but it's actually sand there, like a proper sand, so you can, play volleyball, kids can play and stuff like this. Definitely during the summer, it's totally different story. Yeah, that's the parking lot. Actually, I wonder why I didn't park here. I had to walk a little bit more around. More to show you. Yeah, it's just simply autumn. It's already cold, so soon, next month, probably first snow is gonna coming. So it's different, but for me, I still have an opportunity to show you, so I hope so you don't mind. But I believe actually you enjoy. It's different vibe, totally different vibe, right? Regarding the hotel, actually, what I was talking at the beginning of the video, I'm just passing through again. Its official name is Grand Hotel Tifi, 5-star resort with 4.6 Google review out of 5 scale with over 2,000 reviews. And I see the pictures actually good. And I even see some Asian ladies in the massage, in the spa, actually. So I bet, Winnie, you will have friends from Bali here if you will stay around, or you will go to the hotel. My parents living 20 kilometers from here, actually. But yeah, it's cool. It's just like nothing is around because it's just cold. I'm walking actually with my steel shorts. It's 14 degrees right now. But I feel okay as long as I have a jacket. But 5 degrees more and I cannot do this. So that's the property of the hotel. This little footpath going to the parking lot, and there is the construction of some apartments, and the apartments and the modern apartments are on the other side of the lake, actually, like this one. And there is the bridge, and then you're leaving the city. And actually all of this land, empty land here, there will be the new apartments overlooking the lake, because this construction site, actually they just make this so you cannot see much. But also interesting fact, they put some plants like this one, even it's just like simple plants, but not like a 2-meter metal fence or plastic fence like in other places. Actually it's a little bit windy, and when it's windy it's getting colder and colder. So there are apartments actually there, 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. They're actually very cool, because I think this is actually a great place to live here. Simply because those apartments, they are like a 3-4 floors facing the lake or the river, still outside of the downtown, but within 5-10 minutes you are everywhere. City Hall is just 3 minutes from here actually, so it's just outside. There's the hotel, there are plenty of supermarkets, beautiful view, a lot of empty land, still nature, so it's cool. They're not the cheapest, but it's small town, only 30,000 people living here, so it's not like Warsaw or Krakow. Krakow is anyway on the South Poland, is the most expensive place in the whole country anyways, so it's cool. And also they building over there will be like 2 floors only, and there will be shops and other businesses down there on the ground floor. So kind of cool, kind of very interesting, and this is all new, basically all new. Like those apartments, they are like, I don't know, 2 years old only. They started building during the pandemic time. I'm impressed. It's changed a lot, really, guys. I know it's my home country, but since I don't living here for like 13 years and so, I just realized it's a lot of things is changing here. But looks like they are changing for good, actually, for better. Totally different environment. Cool apartments, and I'm gonna show you there's also empty land here. So all of this land will be full of apartments in the future, so they will face to the lake and river. Cool, actually cool. There's plenty of room anyway, so it's not, they are not squeezing. Some more ducks here. Ducky, cannot give you bird. I don't have anything else. Somebody fishing there on the other side. Somebody left little boats. This little bridge, and there is the Lidl supermarket. And it's funny because this is like this building in the background. I show you, this is the City Hall, and the roundabout there, this is actually the border between downtown. So this is like walking distance to the downtown basically, and the more residential areas there in the front. There will be McDonald's behind over there, and there's the supermarket. So everything is here, actually location is perfect. So this is actually my hometown, like a second hometown. I make a second part of this video, I make one video here as well, like first, second day when I came to Poland. I came here and show you the city center and also the city hall actually. So this you can consider as the second video of the same place, but like within 3 weeks. So cool, and I'm just make it easy today. I hope so you didn't get bored too much. It's like I actually feel a little bit tired and jet lag. I used to have so many flights in the past days and too many hours zone change. My mom even insists me today, Damian, maybe you just take a day off. But I said, Mama, I have 1,000 people watching me still every day, even it's not Bali. So you are guys waiting. So I make a video for you. And let me know, actually, is it really that boring? Or maybe you found out it's kinda interesting. I don't know. For me, it's kinda even interesting, even it's my hometown. I know many other YouTubers from all around the world, they theoretically and technically often don't film their own hometowns because they find out it's just so boring. But for me, actually it's interesting, but I didn't live here for so many years. And for you, probably there is not many videos from this city on YouTube anyway, so let me know. Also, there's the Lidl, famous supermarket in Europe, German brand. Let me know if you would like me to go inside any of those supermarkets and show you the products what you can find in the store and the prices. Just idea for the video, but if you're not interested, let me know. I'm not gonna bother. Thanks so much for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna go somewhere, as always, maybe to the bigger city and show you. Let me know also, you prefer big cities like old towns because so beautiful architecture, or you prefer those kind of videos that I make today and before I go to Canada actually, because plenty of nature here. as well. So let me know which one you prefer. And if you haven't watched the videos from Canada, I understand Canada is not for everybody. Not everybody are interested, but I make two very interesting videos in the mountains, in the Rocky Mountains in North America, in Banff particularly, and they're actually very, very nice videos. I would highly recommend you to watch it if you want. Thanks for today. See you tomorrow on next one. I'm getting actually back to the car, it's cold. See ya.